So we're at one of my favorite local farms here in Nashville, and they have flower picking and some locally grown produce. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so come on, let's go. Here is the picnic tables with the buckets. Grab a little snipper and then a bucket. I love these flowers. They are so pretty. They like hang off your bouquet. It's insanely hot out here, so we're done picking flowers, but this is what we got. Beautiful. Love. I am burning alive. It is so hot outside. These are my flowers. It was $10 for the bucket and then $5 per person to enter. If you haven't been here, definitely check it out. I go here all the time. It's my favorite farm. Have a good day. Bye.